Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Jira to integrate with Confluence, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Atlassian website by typing in www.atlassian.com. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Provide a valid email address that you want to use for your Jira account. After entering your email, click on the Get Started button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Atlassian. Open the confirmation email and click on the link to verify your email address. You may be redirected back to the Atlassian website to complete your registration. Create a password for your Jira account, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Fill in any additional information requested, such as your name and organization. Once you have completed the registration form, click on the Create Account button. You will now be directed to the Jira onboarding page. Select the option that aligns with your needs, such as try for free or start a new project. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Jira project. At this point, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Product Settings. Under Integrations, select Confluence to start the integration process. You will see options for connecting with Confluence. Follow the instructions provided to link your Jira and Confluence accounts. Provide any necessary permissions to allow the integration. Once the integration is complete, confirm that Jira and Confluence are successfully connected. You are now ready to utilize Jira in conjunction with Confluence for improved project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.